Playing Roblox on mobile can be more fun and comfortable if you use a controller instead of touch controls. Whether you have a PS5, PS4, Xbox, or third party Bluetooth controller, you can connect it to your phone or tablet and enjoy smoother gameplay. This guide will show you step by step on how to set up any controller to play Roblox on mobile. So make sure that the controller is compatible. Most Bluetooth controllers work PS4, PS5, DualShock, Xbox Series, Xbox One, and many generic controllers. Ensure that your controller is fully charged or has fresh batteries, and pair your controller with your mobile device. If you're using Android, you need to go ahead, open your settings, then simply search for Bluetooth connection. Go to connections, and here you will see the Bluetooth. Turn it on and pair a new device. Put a controller in pairing mode and tap your controller name to connect it. Then go ahead, launch your Roblox application, start any game that you want to play, and use your controller. Once connected, most automatically recognize the controller. Use analog sticks to move and buttons for actions, and some games may require enabling Gamepad mode in the in game settings. If the controller isn't working, reconnect via Bluetooth again and restart the Roblox application. Make sure that the game supports controller input. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.